Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of troubleshooting and tech fixes. In today's video, we're addressing a common issue that AMD users might face: the AMD software not opening. If you've ever encountered this frustrating problem or are seeking a solution to get your AMD software up and running, you've come to the right place. So let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to fix AMD software not opening. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. If you experience issues with the AMD software not opening, it might be due to corrupted files. Deleting the CN folder, where your AMD software settings are saved, can help resolve this problem. By deleting the folder, the software will create a new, fresh folder, eliminating any corrupted files and potentially fixing the issue. Open Run by pressing the Windows and R key simultaneously. Type app data and press Enter. Go to Local, then to AMD, select the CN folder, then delete it. Reinstalling the Radeon software package has been reported by AMD users to resolve the problem. This process creates a new set of AMD files in the C drive, eliminating any bugs or errors that may have been causing the issue. Open File Explorer by pressing the Windows plus E key. Navigate to C, Program Files, AMD, CNext. Scroll down and search for a file named RSX package with extension .m6. Double-click on this file and select Reinstall. Thank you for watching, fellow tech enthusiasts. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it and want to stay updated with more troubleshooting guides, tech tips, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel.